Look, look. I know my hair isn't dry, but I just couldn't wait filming this, right? G Fuel X VII, maybe? Anyways, this came. Guess what it is? Round 3, baby. Round 3. You already know what it is. We had the Street Race hoodie first. Then we had the VII X Champion first drop. And now we have the third drop. Also with Champion. Once again, we got that bag inside the bag. We got that bag inside the bag. Yo, Mark sent me stickers, bro. Yo, Mark sent me stickers. What a fucking goat. I love him, dude. Mark, I love you, man. Holy shit. Once again, I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't. Wait. Ah, fuck. Oh, fuck, that was way too much effort, bro. Yeah, as you can see, I've saved the last 2 bags as well. I saved these because, you know, yeah. In this drop, we dropped the Street Race hoodie, but on a t-shirt. So the same design, but on a black t-shirt this time. And then we dropped a whole new one, which I got, which is a long sleeve that says Vii International. Let's pull up the stickers first, dude. How many stickers did Mark send me? Holy fuck. Oh my god. I love my team. VII to the fucking moon, baby. Okay, I can already feel this is very good material. Once again, Champion on it. Ready for the fold reveal. Oh! Oh my god. Listen, I'm not gonna lie. When I bought this, I didn't see the back. I don't think we had a picture of the back. I might be tripping, but I only saw this. And I was like, I don't have a long sleeve, and this is clean. But the fucking back? Oh my god. Look at this red tiger-ish design. And then with the fuck. Oh my god. This is too clean. Oh my god. Oh, yes. Oh, I love this. Champion on it too. Huge W. It looks weird if I pull the sleeves up, to be honest. Does look, maybe. Does it? A little bit? Dude, this looks, oh, this is insane, bro. Not gonna lie, this is probably one of my favorites yet. I don't know, the Street Race hoodie, that has been my favorite out of the 2 I've had. Well, the 3. I got the t-shirt too, obviously. The last Street Race. The Street Race design was my favorite one. But dude, this is so fucking sick. This might be my new favorite VII piece, actually. When it comes to clothes, I love the minimalistic stuff. At least on the front, like just a little VII or stuff like that, like we had on the first Champion hoodie. And then on the back, dude, go crazy. Go crazy! Can we put VII stickers on my... How's that gonna look? It's gonna look sick until I'm dropped. Fuck it. Fuck it. I actually think, Mark, did he send me a sticker? I think I got sent like a single sticker last time, but I don't know where the fuck it is. Whew. Yo! Imagine spending like $800 on a mic just to put a sticker on it. Let's go! This is sick. Oh, this is sick. Still got 5 left. If you want to pick up some VII merchandise, go to our website, linked down, first link in the description. Use code Limxyy at checkout for 5% off your purchase. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. See you. Go to the store. I'll have it linked in the description. Go to our website. I'll have it linked. First link in. Go to our. Oh my fucking god, dude. Hi Twitter. Hi Twitter. Hi. Fucking, I'm such a dumbass.